Hi everybody, I'm Mrs. Newkirk and I'm your history teacher this year, or at least for this trimester. So I just wanted to formally introduce myself. My name is Summer Newkirk. I just go by Newkirk. I can't wait to meet you all tomorrow. So in this letter, you will see the schedule for our first day. Please be sure to be on time, come a few minutes early, and click on our Webex link. It's also in the letter, okay? It's also on Schoology. You'll see the little Bitmoji classroom and there's a place to click Webex. So we are going to be using Webex and there could be a few hiccups. So make sure you read this letter carefully. Make sure you have your computer charged up and you have your settings and all of that jazz so we can be ready to go. All right. You will also see that tomorrow I will be taking roll. We needed to be checking on attendance and we'll be going over some critical information on how to successfully navigate our online learning experience. Okay. All right. I'm so excited for what we have in store, and I hope you are too. And I love history and just keeping up with current events and all that stuff. So I'm really looking forward to some good conversations with you guys and catching up with you guys. If you have any questions at all, you can email me. Also, make sure you try to get on the remind, because if we have any issues with technology, I want to be able to communicate in real time and troubleshoot as soon as possible. All right. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.